Thank you for visiting Chicago Cars Direct. This is a 2004 Lexus LX470 four-wheel drive. It's blizzard pearl white over an ivory leather interior. We do these videos for our clients who might not be able to come in person, and hopefully it gives you a really good idea of what the vehicle looks like from all angles, inside and out. But we're very proud of our inventory, and that's why we do these videos in HD. And but I'm going to start with the driver's side right here, and then when I get to the quarter panel in the back, I'm going to turn around and then zoom into the front fender, so hopefully it'll give you a really good idea of what it looks like from all angles. So one thing we did here too, well, okay, here's the fender. One thing we did here too, I love this color, it's a pearl white, but we took a professional paint meter. And what that does is that it allows us to see if the vehicle has got any previous paint work or accidents. And it hasn't. All the panels are factory original paint. There is no previous paint work or any signs of any accidents or problems or issues. It's a very, very clean LX. It's one of our favorite large SUVs. So whenever we find a nice one, we try to buy it. Especially in this color combination, it's hard to find pearl white. So I'm going to zoom into the front fender on the passenger side. And again, I'm going to zoom out slowly. And you can see up there, that is the rear spoiler and the roof rack. Yeah, I wish I was taller. Okay. You can see the top looks good. And I'll show you the front glass and the hood. And show you the front end. And then Rich is going to open the hood so you can see what the vehicle looks like underneath the engine. Perfect, thank you. I do want to show you how clean it is up here because you can see there's a K&N air filter, which is always a good idea. This is a 4.3 liter V8 engine, 235 horsepower, but it's not really about horsepower. It's about the 320 pounds-foot of torque at only 3,400 RPM. It's very smooth. It's mated to a new 5-speed automatic transmission for 2004. They made some huge changes for 2003, and then through 2004 they made a nicer navigation system and rear view camera. But I do want to show you how clean everything is. Again, there is no signs of any accidents or previous paint work. Everything is exactly where it should be, and very clean. If you look at the Carfax report, you can see the vehicle is very, very well serviced. And the Carfax report is on our website at www.chicagocarsdirect.com. So let me show you the back. And I just want to show you how clean everything is. This is obviously these are your third row seats that fold up to the side, a la Land Rover. Okay, we'll show you the rear door. Look, everything is just very clean. Look, even the door jam's not scraped up or damaged. Just looks really great. Super, super clean. Show you the rear seats. One thing you can't tell from the video, but it's a non-smoker's vehicle. There's no pet smells or odors. Definitely no smoke smells. No cigar smells. It smells very clean, very fresh. And the carpeting looks great too. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that. Thanks for opening the door, Rich. That's perfect. Okay. And again, get to show you. That's your Mark Levinson sound system. You have a 6-disc CD auto changer. That's your memory, 2-position memory. For the seats, for the mirrors, for the electronically adjustable tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and that is wood and leather steering wheel as well. I'll show you the driver's seat. There's always a little bit of wear right here. That's where people get in and out of the vehicle, but it's really very minor on this. So I always zoom in on that. They're really not bad. Look at that. There's always a little bit of wear right here, but really not a lot at all. Okay, now I get to get in the vehicle and I can show you the passenger seat. Again, I'm going to zoom into the bolster. And I'm going to start the vehicle. It drives incredibly well, incredibly smooth. But yeah, for 2004, this is the newer navigation system, and here's a lawyer screen. I'm just going to hit I agree. Much nicer, much more updated, and they put in, I'm going to turn the turn signal off. They put in a rear view camera for 2004, so that was new for 2004. That's your Mark Levinson sound system. Heated seats, but I do want to show you how clean everything is. Look at the wood grain. Just incredibly, incredibly clean. It's always really nice when people take care of their vehicles. And this vehicle's got over 100,000 miles, and it looks like it's got half that many miles. And it just drives incredibly well. Can you hear how quiet that is? Can you even hear the engine on? This vehicle also has Bluetooth. It says Bluetooth connection has failed. That's because the previous owner probably isn't anywhere near here right now. Probably enjoying their new vehicle that they traded this in for. They enjoy their Audi Q7. So I did want to show you, these are all Michelin tires. They have quite a bit of tread left on them. They have, the tires measure between 6/32 and 7/32, so there's quite a bit of tread left on those. As you can tell, those say they probably had some nitrogen fill in the tires. So if that's important to you, that's great. But I know Michelin tires are wonderful. It's always good to see people put Michelin tires on. Those are my favorites. I don't know if you can pick up the paint color, how it looks like under these lights. Look at that, the pearl white. Probably looks a lot better in person, but it's beautiful. But again, please feel free to go on our website and check out the Carfax Report, www.chicagocarsdirect.com. But if you have any other questions that we weren't able to answer for you, our phone number is 630-889-0911. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.